I'm Nunchaku Taylor. If you're new here, please do subscribe. Please do leave us a like and a comment, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Remember to smash that notification bell to get notified when I release the latest content, okay? So we're going to be learning some snapback techniques today. Alright, so first of all, you're going to need to learn your sideward stalls. Alright, and basically to do your snapbacks, what you're going to do is you're going to go like that and rip it back. So when you stall forward, you're going to rip your hand back almost at the same time you're going to let the nunchuck go. Okay, that will cause it to gain height. Okay, and pop it into an aerial. So go here, here, whoosh. From there, you can go straight into a moonwave. Okay, you need to catch this in a reverse grip, like so. Okay, so we go here, here, reverse grip. Bring this around and drop your hand. That will cause it to gain height. Okay, so you're basically doing a stall snapback into a moonwave. Next of all, what you can do, also, you can go into your stall snapback. So long as you catch it in a standard grip now, you can go straight into a figure eight. Alright, so we go here, snap it back, standard grip, figure eight, buff. Okay, so they're just two neat variations to the snapback which you can come out of right at the end of a snapback. So remember, reverse grip, moonwave. Alright, standard grip, whoosh, figure eight. Okay, so they're two moves which you can get in and out of the snapback. Okay, so I hope they help you out, and please do subscribe, and I'll see you again next week where we are going to learn this. Alright, so that is basically you're snapping it back and you're catching it behind your back, but you're turning your body, but we'll get into that next week. Thank you, see you again soon.